Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. My name is John. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover any password you have been used before on a website, okay, that you have saved, and you are trying to log in, and then what the system is saying is that the password is wrong, okay, so or email is wrong. So what I'm going to show you that how to recover it with a simple steps, okay, without you creating another password or clicking on forget password, okay. Some of the websites always give you access to request a password reset, okay. Now I'm going to show you a simple way that you can use to keep your old password, okay, over and over again. So this is one time solution to your password, okay. If you forget your password, you don't have any doubts. So let me show you. Let's just jump into our Gmail account. So we just go to Google, okay. So yes, Google, okay. So we just click on this, okay. So click. So after clicking, then you go to your profile, okay, profile at the top there, then you click on it, okay. So after clicking on it, then you click on your manage your Google account, okay, at the top there. This is it. So after clicking on this, once you click on this, okay, what you are going to look for is security, okay. So you scroll left, and then you look for security. Once you see security, just scroll up, okay. Continue scroll up. Before you continue, please kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is John, and here we only post everything online. Any tech skills you want, you will learn it from here. We also teach on how to make money online, okay. So subscribe and click on the notification button so that if you post new video, you are going to be the first to get notified, okay. And also comment below your thoughts, okay. So let's continue. So you scroll up, okay. You scroll up, just scroll up and look for password manager, okay, down here. So this is password manager, okay. Password manager. So this is password manager, right? So you click on it. Now let's go back and look at something here. Now we have seen that we have how many password here? We have 39 passwords saved, okay, in your Google account. Password manager makes it easier to sign into sites and apps you use on any sign-in device, okay. So click on it, then you scroll. So these are the websites I've used my password, okay. These are the websites I created password for. So what I would do to recover it is that, let's assume that I forget my Facebook password. So I'll just come here and then click on it. I'll remove my password, my screen password. So this is my details about Facebook, right? So once I click on this, okay, I will see my password, okay. You can see there is another one here. Once I click on this, I'll see my password. That's the same thing as you. So you just try it, okay. So let's go to different website. Let's assume that I want to check my google.com, okay. So this is how it is. So let's assume that I want to check my password. So I'll just click on this and I'm good to go, okay. You see your password. So you go back to the website you were doing, you were trying to log in, and then it was giving you wrong password. So just look at it here and then copy it, just copy it and go and paste, okay. Once you click on this, you copy, okay. Once you click on this, you copy it and then you go and paste it at the website we're looking for, and you are good to go. You don't need to reset new password anytime, okay. So thank you for watching, and I love you. I want you to subscribe for more videos. Just subscribe, okay. We promise to give you the best. Here is J Educated Skills. My name is John Atibla. Thank you. Bye bye.